One local leader says he's only days away from introducing a new immigration bill.
The bill could allow Ohio voters to decide if the Buckeye State should have an immigration law like Arizona's. New at 6 and only on 9, Deb Silverman is live at our Butler Warren newsroom to explain the new effort. Deb?
Carol, State Representative Courtney Combs says with no movement on other immigration bills in Columbus, he's taking a new approach. Despite President Obama's appeal for immigration reform, Combs says he can't rely on the federal government to take action fast enough. So Combs wants to pass legislation for Ohio to deter illegal immigrants from crossing the border and coming to our state. He says when police officers have contact with someone, they should be allowed to ask for documentation that proves they're here legally. With Combs' referendum bill, if it's knocked down by the Ohio legislature or the governor, or it sits too long, the bill takes a new route. If Combs collects 200,000 signatures, it will go to the voters to decide. Combs says too many people from too many different countries are getting in the U.S. through our border with Mexico.
And they're not all here looking for a job. I mean, they're out here doing things that God knows what. And I pray that we don't have a catastrophe in this country that's traced back to that border because we didn't close that border. But I'm afraid that that's going to happen.
Combs says the bill will be done in a matter of days and go to a committee in the fall. If this ends up on a ballot, it would go to the voters in November of next year. Combs says if this passes, something still needs to be done on the federal level. He says that our border must be sealed and there has to be a plan for how to handle the people who are already here illegally. Carol?